Welcome back to Saunders Homestead for Saturday, the 9th of July. It's our last day with the Amish, and boy, did they accomplish a lot in helping us frame and get the roof on this home with us. As you can see, the metal is now on the roof, and the cupola and weathervane are now on top, and both porches, the shed porches, are framed, complete. And we have a weather-tight home with the windows and doors in. And we have the lightning rod system on with two terminals on either side of the roof. And they go up into the weather vane, which is its own terminal, to make it a complete system. And then it comes down the house diagonal on either side. One coming down towards the garage corner, and then one coming down towards the southeast corner of the home. But we're just so excited. We have siding now that's started to be put on the upper gable end on the north. So I'm gonna take a ride around the east and the north and give you a view of those sides. And here we are on the east side. You could see the roof's all done, the long porch that eventually will be covered. And there you are. And you'll see on the north side, we've got some of the siding on. The Amish are going to come back on Monday by themselves. We have to go back to work. And they're going to get the rest of the siding on and try to get some roofing trim on that gable end and box it in for that side and get as much as they can done on the roofing of that bump out on the house on the north. So Wayne and I will continue from here. And we'll continue to update you on the progress of completing our homestead for two people who've never built a house before. So hopefully this inspires you and lets you know that anyone can build their own house. It just takes time and planning and hard work and dedication. That's true, because we've done this nights and weekends over 5 years to build our garage and buy our land and get everything that you see here today. So this is a milestone for us, and we're celebrating tonight, and we know we're not done. We have nothing on the inside. Many more projects to come, but thanks for watching the channel and staying with us and cheering us on. We appreciate the support, and we wish you the best of luck on your projects. Take care.